New Year? Let's make some fireworks! Hello everyone and welcome to Make with Ajay. Wish you all a very happy new year. You guys must be wondering, where am I today? Well, I'm enjoying my holidays and I hope that you guys are doing that too. I wish you all very happy holidays. Well, I decided to make this little homage to 2021, showcasing a recap of all the beautiful things that we made during the year. Personally, for me, 2021 will be really special because this is the year when I did what was there in my mind for a long time. I started my own YouTube channel and started creating contents that I always wanted to create. And through this medium, I'm hoping to bring you all the creativity that I can and make this world beautiful one thing at a time. Well, I can't believe how much we achieved in 2021, and I hope that in 2022 as well, we will keep creating such beautiful things and I will keep bringing you more such videos so that we may learn and grow together. Well, I live in Toronto and on every new year, we go to Niagara Falls to watch the beautiful fireworks. But due to the COVID-19 situation, we haven't been able to go there since past 2 years. So this year, I thought, okay, let me create my own fireworks and thought of making this really quick and easy tutorial on painting fireworks. So let's get started. So to begin with, I'll take this pad of black paper that I got from Michael's and I took a sheet out of this pad. If you don't have a black paper, you can also paint your sheet black. After that, I took my graphite pencil and started drawing some circles on the black paper. I used various objects like this tape and some bottle caps to draw different sizes of circles on the paper. And then I took my favorite Posca pen in white color and started drawing these lines from the circumference of one circle going straight to the center. Drawing fireworks is actually really easy. You just need to draw these strokes of lines going straight into the center of the circle. After that, I just took some eraser and erased that circle. Well, you can use any normal eraser. I just happen to have this putty eraser lying in front of me, so I decided to use that. So just be very careful not to erase the white lines that you have drawn. You just need to erase the graphite pencil. And then I took the white Posca marker, but this time in a bolder tip, and I drew the same lines once again because I wanted these strokes of line to be a bit bolder. And now, to give our fireworks some shine and color, I came back with yellow Posca marker and drew some more strokes of color at the tip of those lines, near the circumference of the circle. And then I did the same thing with an orange Posca marker. For my second firework, I decided to go with the red color and I decided to draw those lines in a red fine tip Posca marker. This technique is so easy and it may look really simple in the beginning, as if you're drawing just a few lines to make those fireworks. But trust me, when all of this comes together at the end, it will look really good. So I used the same technique and used the red and white colored bolder Posca markers to make this red firework. And then I used the same technique to make another one. And this time I used yellow color. I also took a fine tip white Posca marker and drew these dots in an oval shape to represent some more fireworks at a distance. Then I took a bottle cap and decided to add some more fireworks on the sides. The technique remains the same. You just need to add strokes of lines going right at the center of the circle in various lengths. You can make smaller strokes or larger strokes of lines and in various colors, and it will start looking like fireworks in the sky. By the way, what do you guys do on New Year? Do you also light up the fireworks, or do you go somewhere to watch the fireworks? Do let me know down in the comments below, how do you celebrate your New Year? For this little one, I decided to use the pink color, and then I drew some strokes of line, really small ones, right at the center of that firework with pink color. And then I drew some dots right where those lines were ending on the circumference of that circle. And now I'm just adding some more little ovals to make more of those fireworks at the distance. You just need to add some dots to make those fireworks at the distance. This technique is so simple, it just makes it look like as if they're sparkling or as if there are so many stars. What are fireworks really, if not a big bang of teeny tiny stars? And then I use the same technique to make another tiny one on the right side. And after those fireworks were done, I just drew some lines from the base of the paper right to the center of those fireworks with yellow and white Posca pen, and also drew some dots around them, representing those sparkles that these fireworks leave behind while going up in the sky. And then I just added some more sparkle in the sky all around those fireworks, and it was done. You can leave this painting right here, but I decided to go a step further and add some more glow using my favorite Carbothello Stabilo color pencils. These are my absolute favorite. So I just took the color pencil matching to the color of that particular firework and decided to add some glow right at the tip of those lines by adding some shade of that color and then blending it using this silicone blender. And then I just repeated this process to cover the entire circumference of the firework, adding some more color to it and making it glow even more. I was totally loving the effects that these colored pencils were giving, and they are so pigmented, the colors are so saturated, and it also gave that effect of what firework is ahead of which one. So some of those fireworks looked as if they are behind the others, and this made all the difference. And then I added some more glow right at the center of the firework using the same colored pencil. And then I just repeated this entire process with all the fireworks, giving them different glow in their respective color. By the way, do you believe in New Year resolutions? Well, I've made many and I've broken many. Let me know in the comments down below, what New Year resolution are you gonna make this time? My New Year resolution would be to make more such entertaining and educating videos. As I always say, we are gonna make this world beautiful, one thing at a time. And now my painting is complete. Time to add the signature at the bottom and close this chapter of 2021, opening up new possibilities in 2022. And here's the final reveal. I absolutely love how this quick and simple painting turned out and how bright and colorful it looks. It's so simple to make, and I hope that your 2022 turns out to be this bright and colorful as well. I wish you all the happiest and the warmest and of course the safest New Year. Lots of love to you all from Toronto, and I'll see you next year. Bye. Mwah.